Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is June 19th, 2018, and this is our daily cryptocurrency market news analysis, to where we're here to give you all the news according to the charts. Now, before I do, it will be my pleasure to show you all how profitable language analysis is and how profitable it can be for you to be our member on our Patreon page, because our members are able to get this type of content that is not available anywhere else. And if you're not a member, then you're definitely missing out. On the right side of our screen is our page on Patreon. The video that you guys see there was uploaded yesterday at 6:06 p.m. It was an analysis for Ethereum, which is why on the left side of the screen you can see the current daily price chart for Ethereum. Obviously, looking at this chart, you all can tell that what we forecasted was for the market to move higher. Currently, Ethereum is up 3.24% powerful in one day, and we forecasted that to happen yesterday. So what I want you to do is just take a minute and listen to what was stated on our video yesterday about Ethereum and what we expected it to happen. So let's just have a listen, and then I'll get back to you.
So now we are going to take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum currently is up 0.07%. Last trade was 77,020 Satoshis. And Ethereum is not participating with the movement higher in price today, just like with Bitcoin is. The market is literally in a consolidation still. A quick look at the 3-hour bars for Ethereum. You can see that the market literally is in consolidation. 76,500 has been holding support quite well, and that resistance area is all the way up there at 77,500. A lot of volume came in on this last 3-hour bar. Definitely resembles the market trying to push higher or even push lower, and definitely tells us that the market participants are definitely willing to absorb all of the selling that occurred during that particular time frame. And you can see here on this 1-hour bar that the market tried to push lower, and it was able to close above it. And we did make a little slight movement to the upside, but we came right back down into an area of our consolidation. Now, what I'm seeing in Ethereum is continued movement to the upside. That's going to be our analysis, because we received a lot of volume on these 2 1-hour bars, and the market continued to consolidate, and now you can even see that we're trying to move higher in price, but a lot of volume is coming in on this current 1-hour bar, so we have to watch out for that. The market can definitely come right back down towards 76,500 Satoshis in the near term. So what I'm looking for in Ethereum in our analysis is for them to continue its consolidation. Once we get done with this stockpile that's currently coming in the market, I'm looking for us to continue to move higher in price. But if the next 1-hour bar definitely closes below the 1-hour bar, the completed one, then I'm looking for Ethereum to continue to come right back down into consolidation.
So there you go. We told you a day ahead that we was looking for Ethereum to continue to move higher in price. And the only question you need to ask yourself is, I need that type of analysis for my own particular trades. So for only $3 a month, you guys can have access to all of this content that we provide our members on our Patreon page, because this is some very powerful information that we are giving our community. So if you're not a part of our community, then swing on over to our Patreon page. $3 a month, you guys will have access to all of this. Plus, if you guys have an interest in a different altcoin paired against the USD, BTC, whatever the case may be, we'll go ahead and upload a video for you in that particular matter, just for being a part of our community. So we definitely look forward to seeing you all there. But in the meantime, I'll go ahead and do a quick analysis for Bitcoin before I go. And you guys can still see that Bitcoin, if you watched our video yesterday, it is still in a consolidation on the daily price chart. So we're not necessarily out of the woods yet, albeit what we have here today is a positive sign in Bitcoin for them to continue to move to the upside. What we got to go through right now in the moment is a lot of that weakness or this huge downturn that we saw here on the 10th of June And that's what we're going through right now in Bitcoin at this particular juncture. 3-hour chart, you can still see that we're in a simple consolidation to where we are upholding price $680, $6,680 is where that support is. And I'm looking for Bitcoin to continue to move higher in price. Now, my analysis will change if Bitcoin breaks $6,680 to moving to the downside, okay? So if that occurs throughout trading tomorrow, then I'm definitely looking for Bitcoin to find support around 6618, possibly even to the low of this particular 3-hour chart, 3-hour bar. Before I go, let's take a look at the 1-hour chart real quick. And the 1-hour chart still shows you that continued strength in the market. It's not necessarily, there is weakness here, but as long as we maintain 6680, 6675, we will continue to move higher in price. But the moment that we break that 6675, 6680, I'm expecting Bitcoin to continue to move to the downside, which has not come to fruition yet. Now, looking at the chart now, we might actually just come up to 6750 and move back down to the downside. So we just want to put that on your radar as well. That is something that we definitely see occurring if we don't have any volume over the next hour to 3 hours, or I would say 6 hours. As we try to come back up towards the 6750, we definitely need to see more volume than what we have currently. If that volume does not appear, we will continue to move to the downside. So you have been put on notice. But that's all I got for today. Make sure you are maintaining your profitability, and I will talk to you all later.